Hi guys, I'm here to show you how to add tags to your YouTube video, how to copy tags from trending videos of YouTube and put it to your video, make your video trending. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button. Click also on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload new video. Keep watching. I'll show you an example how to add tags to your YouTube video. This is my YouTube channel and I'll show you how to increase self-worth when ex-crush or spouse or relatives are discouraging you. So I'll add a tag to this video. So I'll first find the trending video on the same topic, how to increase self-worth when rejected or betrayed. So these are some videos. 107k views, 185k views, 248k views. So I'll copy this one. Copy link. I will go to this website. You are supposed to go to this website. YouTube tag generator, ytubetool.com. You will find this link in my description. So click here, copy the link, find the tags. I'm not robot. Click on this I'm not robot. Then they will send you images. Sometimes they don't send. And this is the list of tags added by this video. So I cannot use the person's name, but I can use the other or all other. So I'll copy these tags. I'll go to YouTube Studio. You can also change it from YouTube channel itself, but I'll change it from here. It becomes easy. So how to increase self-worth? I have already added tags over here. So go to tags, dating advice, relationship expert. So you will add your tags next to this what you have already pasted. Yes, I could paste it. So I'll remove the name of this person, and when I'll save this I can, so this tag will be, I will change some of the tags. Yes, so save. Edits are saved. In this way you can change the tags of your video. You can add tags from trending videos, but I think these tags, you can check tags of all these videos and then you can put combination of tags over here. I will not put this because there is nothing related to Buddhism. If you put wrong tags in the video, your video will be considered as spam by YouTube and it will be dumped by YouTube. So it will never become viral. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon. Like my videos if you have liked the content. If you have queries, you can comment below. If you want to contact me, contact number and address is given in the description. Thank you.